Hi, today I am making a banana pudding, chia pudding bowl. So I'm going to start with the chia pudding bowl part first. So I'm going to use, I have old-fashioned oats, which is if you're going on a good, better, best, this would be a better. I usually put 2 cups in my husband's. Best is sprouted oat groats. So that is the oats, which if you see my other videos, they look like rice. They are a grain. And I sprout them. And I usually will just put 1 cup in mine. These are frozen. I freeze them after I sprout them. So then it's easy to add into different bowls and things. All right. So now I'm going to add some oat milk. You could use water. You could use any kind of milk you want. And I usually put about equal amounts. So I have a 1/2 cup in here, so I'm going to put in a 1/2 cup of oat milk. I have a 1/4 cup in here, so I'm going to put a 1/4 cup in this one. And then I'm going to add my chia seeds. So I'm going to put in just 2 tablespoons of chia seeds in each one. And then you could add any protein powders, any kind of super powders, whatever you want in there. I like to add like pomegranate powders, some triphala, maybe some branched chain amino acids. Any of those is fine. So I'm going to add my powders and I'll be right back. Okay, once all of your powders are in, stir it and see if you need to add any more liquid. If it's too thick, you could add some water or you could add some more milk. Something else I could have done, instead of using milk or water, I could have made a green juice or a green smoothie and used that as the liquid portion. So for a lot of my clients, I want you to have greens at every meal, so that you could always just make a green juice and then make your chia pudding with that. So I'm making banana pudding. This is a raw vegan banana pudding. And so I have some frozen bananas here, but you could use some that are not frozen. I'm going to put in about 2 bananas into a high-speed blender. Then I'm going to add in 1 tablespoon of coconut butter. This is just a raw coconut butter. And then the juice of, this was a very small lemon, so just a 1/2 of a lemon. I just need a little bit of flavor and a little bit of the lemon, just to keep it from oxidizing, from turning brown quickly. You know how bananas will do that. All right, so now I'm just going to blend it until it's smooth. So now I'm going to top my chia puddings with the banana pudding. And I can stir it in. Now, banana pudding normally has vanilla wafers on top. I'm not going to add vanilla wafers. Those are definitely not raw vegan. They're probably not vegan in there. No, they're not gluten-free, which is what I have to be. Let's get my banana pudding. Now, I could sprinkle some cinnamon on top. I could sprinkle some hemp seeds on top to give it the crunchiness that you find in vanilla wafers. And what I really like to have with my banana pudding, got this right in the way, don't I, is walnuts. Where are my walnuts? So walnuts are very high in omega-3 fatty acids, which are wonderful for brain health and anti-inflammation. So I'm going to sprinkle on some walnuts. You really can't see them with the oats there. So we have oats, which are high in beta-glucans, which are wonderful for the intestines. We have chia seeds, which are wonderful for omega-3s with those walnuts. We have the coconut butter, which also helps with inflammation. So here's our banana pudding chia bowl. I don't know what I'm calling these. Anyway, I hope you can make this. Like, subscribe to my channel, and please share with your friends and comment below. I want to know what else you would like to learn, what other recipes you would like to make. Enjoy!